White utility sink laundry tub with high arc black kitchen faucet by Vetta. Pull-down sprayer spout, heavy-duty slop sinks for washing room, basement, garage, or shop, freestanding tubs. Bring practicality and convenience into your laundry room, mudroom, or washroom with this complete utility tub set by Vetta. The large 19-gallon sink is constructed from high-quality, durable thermoplastic to accommodate all your scrubbing and soaking needs. Use the pull-out nozzle on the black kitchen-grade faucet to direct the water where you want it to go or move the spout out of the way completely so you can easily wash your bulky items. Box includes everything necessary for most standard installations, including stainless steel supply lines to hook up the hot and cold water, plastic drainage kit, P-trap, nuts and washers, rubber stopper, metallic faucet, tub, legs with levelers, bonus thread seal tape and easy-to-follow installation instructions. Sturdy rust-proof metal legs attach easily, and the included floor levelers increase stability on uneven surfaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Bring practicality and convenience into your laundry room with this complete upgraded Vetta freestanding utility tub set. Now constructed from durable metal and plastic for long-term usage. Updated and improved black combination material faucet. The high-end pull-down kitchen faucet adds style and greater functionality than a regular laundry faucet. Includes supply lines and drainage. Number 2. High-arc black kitchen faucet with pull-down spout. The tall, graceful arc of the high-rise faucet gives you plenty of clearance for cleaning all of your oversized items. Wash them easily without needing to maneuver around the faucet. Toggle between a steady stream and a powerful spray with the touch of the button. This faucet uses a combination of materials, both metal and plastic, as is a perfect blend of longevity and practicality. Number 3. A high-quality white thermoplastic tub is practically indestructible. It has a deep 19-gallon capacity for all your laundry room needs. Soak, rinse and scrub with ease in the large wash basin with included drain stopper plug. Metal legs keep the tub stable even when it is filled with water. Adjust the foot levelers to the perfect height and level the tub on bumpy or uneven surfaces. Perfect for an unfinished basement or garage. Number 4. Set comes with everything you need for your washtub setup. Kit includes tub, metal legs, foot levelers for stability, black high-arc faucet, integrated supply lines, drainage, stopper, and all hardware necessary to set up and install your new sink. Illustrated step-by-step instructions take the guesswork out of the assembly. Dimensions: 33 3/4 inches high, with legs, by 22 7/8 inches wide by 23 3/8 inches deep. 1 year limited warranty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can you put this outside? Answer. You may place this tub outside only if you install it where there is shade and if you are caring for the tub properly. Question number 2. What is the faucet made of? Metal, plastic, combo? If combo, what parts are metal and what are not? Answer. The faucet deck and spout are plastic. The handle is metal. The flexible, integrated hot and cold supply lines are reinforced with SS mesh braiding. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.